Ayan guys, maglalaro po tayo ng Fluffy's Fluff to Love. Sasabihin ko natin itong itlog. I need that. Ayan. Kailangan natin mag-ipon ng pera para mabigyan natin itong mga eggs na ito. Paglaro tayo. Okay, nag-ads guys. Tignan natin. Seryoso dapat. We play this again. Wait, I will get these coins. Wait. I won. I'm one. We have a gift again. This, what is it? Oh, this is the gift. Wait. Okay, wait. Okay. We need to play again. Imagine. Wait. Mag-English po tayo guys ngayon. Dahil maganda po mag-English. We need to play this to have a lot of money. Wait, okay, that. Oops, have a crack. Oh no. Oops. Oh, that. Maganda po kasi mag-English. Salita po kasi namin Tagalog, English, Ilocano. Niya data? Assassin. My kuya is playing. Wait. Is lag? It's many ads. So many ads. Wait, okay? Wait a minute. It's so very. Guys, minutes. Wait. Oops. We need to play again to have a money. Ni, pay kastoy na eh. Dati crack nan. Oops, aglag. Okay, we need this. Guys, Ilocano po ko, English at Tagalog. Oops, yun po ang salita namin. Wait. Oh my god, it's very lag. I'm lucky to have a gift again. Dito na pa nagtatapos ang video na po ito. You can subscribe po.